So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable automatic software updates on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you want to turn this feature on or off, all you need to do is just navigate to the settings menu. And then once you're in settings, you want to scroll down until you find system. Select that. Under your system settings, then look for the option automatic system updates. And then once you found it, you should see a toggle next to it. So all you need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to turn it off. And now if you ever want to update your Switch, you'll have to do so manually. So you'll have to come to System Update and select it, wait for it to detect any nearby updates, and then just press on the update button to go through the process. However, if you wanted to do it so automatically whenever it's connected to a Wi-Fi network, then you can just tap on the toggle like that to enable it, and it will go through the process of automatically updating your software whenever there's one available and you're connected to Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.